Your topic is Make in India.
Make in India is a campaign which was launched by our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. It is really very useful scheme for every person. It is a really very good opportunity for a lots of people who want to start their business in any field in which they want. It is really very important scheme for every person because with the help of that scheme we can also develop our country and we can also increase the GDP level. It has a really only one meaning of this scheme, and that is we have to boycott all the other products, and it means that we have to buy only those products which is made in India. So it is important, and we should always try to support this scheme because when we support this scheme, then it will really very helpful for our country and also for us. If we only buy those products which is made in India, then it is really very helpful for every person, and it means that when we buy those things, then it means we support that scheme honestly. There is a unique symbol of this scheme, and that is a lion, which is covered by a lots of wheat. It shows the strength of our country, and it is a global scheme, and everyone wants to support this scheme. So it is important, and we should always try to support this scheme because when we support, then it means that our country will develop.
How technology helps a country?
Technology is a word. It means the synonyms of that word is it means that developing our country. There are lots of country which is developing day by day, and a lots of country are also developed. So we can also take the example of Japan. Then Japan is a really very small country. Still, it is developed because of technology. Because every person always try to invent something new in their country, and that's why that country is really very developed country. And now our country is also very fastest developing country because of like those schemes, Make in India and Digital India. These both schemes are totally dependent upon technology, and when we support the scheme, then it is really very helpful. And that's why we can say that technology is really very helpful for every person. And in this time, a lot of people are totally dependent upon technology because they use a lot of electronic gadgets and lots of other things which are totally made up of those materials which are just discovered by lots of people, and it's all because of technology. So we can say that it is really very important and useful for every person.
Why
Next question.
girls education is important?
First of all, education is really very important for every person. It doesn't matter that that person is boys or girls. According to our constitution, everyone has right to get educated. So we should always try to get educated because when we get educated, then it will really help us in a lot of ways. So we, now we talk about the girls' education, which is really very helpful because a lot of people want to teach their only boy child. They don't want to teach their girls' child, which is really very bad thing because when girls will also get educated, then our country will also develop and it's also boost up the economy of our country. So it is important, and when they will also educated, it means that a whole family will get educated.
Tell me
Next.
about Indian festivals.
There are lots of festivals in our country, and those all festivals are really very beautiful festivals like Holi, Diwali, and a lots of many harvesting festivals. And there's only one purpose of that festival. It means to follow our culture, and second one is to spread happiness among every person. Because in this time, a lot of people are really very busy, and due to that festival, we can spread happiness among every people, and we can also spend time with our family members. So these all festivals are really very good. And if we talk about any festival, then all festival like Diwali, then it is the festival of light. And if we talk about Holi, then it is the festival of color. So we should always try to celebrate all these festivals because when we celebrate those festivals, then we feel really very good, and then it's also boost up our energy because at that time we spend a lot of time with our family members.